but it's from Ego Official. Have I been conned? Like, what the hell is La Vie? What the hell is La Vie? Why does it not have the Ego Official box? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another video and another one, and we are talking about Ego Official. So I bought some boots from Ego Official and I thought I would just show you what I bought and get your opinion. But before we get into this video, I just want to say hello to all the new subscribers. I see you, and anyone who is brand new to my channel, if you hit that subscribe button, you will get a notification for any new videos that I put out. So why not hit that subscribe button? Have you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. So today I bought two boots from Ego Official because they were marked significantly low, but I actually never tried them on. So I'm going out this week and I'm thinking I'm going to wear one of the boots, so I thought I would just unbox it for you guys so you can see what I bought, get your opinion, and see if I need to change them or not. Well, I can't change them because I think it's gone past the date, but I mean, I could wear something else. So this is the first boot, which is a bit weird because it says La Vie, but it's from Ego Official. Have I been conned? Like, what the hell is La Vie? What the hell is La Vie? Why does it not have the Ego Official box? What? Yeah, these are cute. So these are little sock boots. Oh, they smell. They smell so bad. They smell like cheap chemicals. I got these in a 36. This is kind of like the Balenciaga Vetements style boot that has been really trending for the last couple of months. And I thought instead of get it in a black or a red, get it in a grey. So these are these. And show you the other pair. I just don't understand why it came in a La Vie box. Like, that is just weird to me. Yeah, these are really cute. So essentially it's just kind of like a mule, and then it just has like a little sock boot to it. I've just tried them on. They're really comfortable and they're comfortable to walk in. I think this will look perfect with like skinny jeans, leather jacket, and like a kind of silk cami, which is the look I was going to go for anyway. I love these. I've got these jeans that kind of cut at the front and then longer at the back, and they would just sit perfectly with these boots. I love these boots, to be honest. I just don't know why they smell so bad and why they came in a La Vie box, but anyway. Moving on to the next pair of shoes that I got. What the hell? Why does the box say WS shoes? Is this even from Ego Official? Like, do you know what's even stranger? I don't even have any like paper. You know, normally like you get like an order form of paper, but this is actually from Ego Official, guys. Like, guys, please don't judge me. This is from Ego Official footwear. I just don't understand why it's coming in random boxes. Oh, here's the paperwork. Yeah, it's from Ego Official. I'm so confused. I'm just looking at the paper, and the sock boots were £39.98. I think I got them for 50% off, so I got them for £20. And then I got these. Oh, and these smell so bad as well. These are just some thigh-high boots, like Kim K style, size 3. Smell so bad though. Oof. They smell like chemical. I don't know what's going on. That's why they were so cheap. And I got these for £15 after discount. Absolutely love the black heels. Just tried them on. I'll just hold this here for decoration. They just come just above the knee. What I love about the material is it actually literally sticks to you. What I hate about like thigh high boots is sometimes like the material on the thigh is quite stretchy, and then everything just starts to fall down, but this kind of just literally sticks to the body. I think I'll be wearing these with jeans. I have a really chunky knit that I want to wear it with, so that's the look that I'm going to be going for. The only problem I can't get over is the smell, guys. It just smells awful. And I don't understand why the boxes are different to Ego Official. Normally when I buy from Ego, they come in Ego Official box. Maybe because they were in the sale and they were discount and they were trying to get rid of them. But I think these are really good finds, like £15 for thigh-high boot, black. Also, I think in the summer I could wear these boots with like an oversized t-shirt. I will not be wearing a corset belt with that oversized t-shirt because it needs to be left in 2017, as I said in my previous video. But I will be wearing these. I think these are so cute. What I do love about Ego Official is every now and then they have like a 20% off or a 15% off or a 30% off flash sale. So I think I will be buying more from Ego Official, but I'm waiting for them sales because you know me, I love to keep my coin. I'm teaching you guys how to be bougie on a budget, how to shop on a budget. So I'm going to wait for a flash sale, or I might use one of the promo codes, even though I also said that needed to be left in 2017, but I might use a promo code. Yeah, I don't want to pay full price for these shoes, but I love the fact that they give an alternative to high street fashion. I just think they're very current in their styles. The styles are very kind of fashion forward, so I will be buying from them again. And to be honest, I did the UK Saver. I'm sounding so cheap in this video. I did the UK Saver where I think it was you paid nothing for shipping and it took 3 to 5 days, and I think it literally came on the 3rd day, to be honest. It was really quick. The site's really easy to navigate, and I will leave the description of these items down below if they still have them. And yeah, that's all, guys. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone can benefit from this video, why not share this video? I'll be happy for you to share this video. As always, if you want to see more of me, why not connect with me on Instagram? I will leave the link of my Instagram below, and I guess I'll see you in another video, guys. And remember to always stay what? Bougie.